Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make healthy oatmeal cookies. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Next, gather your ingredients: 1 1/2 cups of rolled oats, 1/2 cup of whole wheat flour, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 cup of unsweetened applesauce, 1/4 cup of maple syrup, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This simple list ensures a delightful and nutritious treat. Now let's mix our dough. In a large bowl, whisk together the rolled oats, whole wheat flour, baking soda, and salt. Ensure these dry ingredients are well combined. In a separate, smaller bowl, mix the unsweetened applesauce, maple syrup, and vanilla extract until smooth. Finally, pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients and stir gently until just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can make your cookies tough. It's time to bake. Drop rounded tablespoons of your cookie dough onto the prepared baking sheet, leaving about 2 inches between each cookie. Bake them in your preheated oven for 10 to 12 minutes, or until the edges are lightly golden brown. Once baked, let the cookies cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. This helps them set and achieve the perfect texture. Congratulations, you've made healthy and delicious oatmeal cookies. These are perfect for a wholesome snack or a light dessert. Store any leftover cookies in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 to 4 days to maintain their freshness. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade treats and happy baking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.